Add 1 cup milk for soaking. We have used dairy milk. Instead of dairy, you can use non-dairy as well. Add 3 tablespoons black chia seed into milk. Stir well. Now add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Instead of maple syrup, jaggery powder or honey can be taken as well, or the sweeteners can be avoided completely. Minimum soak the chia for 3 hours. Here we have soaked overnight in refrigerator so that it gets swollen up well. Voila! How well the chia seeds have swollen up. It's awesome. Let's proceed towards layering the chia pudding. Firstly, we are adding the pieces of mango. Now we are adding our hero of the dish, which is chia. Layer it well. Now add layer of mango puree. Again add the layer of chia. Garnish it with some mango puree and dry fruits. It can be garnished with seeds as well. Many people get confused between sabja and chia. To clear the difference between sabja and chia seed, I'm going to explain you. Sabja and chia are not the same thing. Chia never pitch black. Mixture of grey, black, white, sometimes even brown. Sabja uniformly jet black in color. On soaking, chia takes time to absorb and swell up. Sabja swells up in seconds. Chia has no taste of its own and can adapt to any dish. Sabja has mild flavor of basil. Chia can be used raw or soaked. Sabja can be consumed only after soaking. Chia is good source of omega-3, helps in stabilizing blood sugar, promotes energy and endurance. Sabja, one of the best coolant for body, good source of iron, combats acidity, relieves constipation. Both of them have numerous benefits, so kindly include in your diet.